Today I'm going to show you how to do a pop front scoot for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a pop front scoot, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your front swipe. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're gonna start in a front side stance, slightly turned at an angle. You're gonna kind of just crouch down on the ground and put your hand on the ground. Make sure you turn it slightly as well. From here, you're gonna jump off both feet at the same time and try to bring your cheat leg through. Get your hips up as much as you can and then land on your cheat leg, followed by your other leg into a backside stance. Again, there are some different ways to perform this trick and I recommend you getting used to all of them because you are gonna be using them later on. You can let your back leg follow through to a front side stance. You can spin 180 degrees into your pop front scoot, and you can combine the spin and the follow through to get the most momentum out of this trick. Key things to remember: make sure you're pushing through the balls of your feet when you jump. Try your best to get your hips up as much as you can after you jump, and make sure that you're looking at the ground the entire time you're doing this skill. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support the channel just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a pop front swipe. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz.